Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we pull back the curtain on corporate secrets, and today we are diving into the latest report from InPoint Commercial Real Estate Income Incorporated. You might want to buckle up because this filing has some interesting portfolio updates that could signal big changes. Before we dive in, if you love getting these unfiltered looks into company filings, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And hey, we've got a fantastic community over on our Discord server, linked in the description below, where we break down these stories even further. So what we have here is a current report, a Form 8. Think of it as a company's way of quickly telling the public about big significant events that aren't expected to wait for their regular quarterly or annual reports. This one is from the 24th of October, 2025, and it is all about a letter to the stockholders and an update on the company's investment portfolio. The company we're looking at is InPoint Commercial Real Estate Income Incorporated. They are involved in commercial real estate income, as their name suggests, and they are registered in Maryland. Their publicly traded preferred stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ICRPRAF. Now, before we get into the juicy bits, there is a standard but important section here about forward-looking statements. Basically, the company is telling us that some of the things they say in this report might be predictions about the future. They are warning investors not to put all their faith in these predictions because real-world events can always be different. They mention that things like changes in interest rates, borrower defaults, and other risks detailed in their other filings could cause actual results to stray from these projections. It is a good reminder to always look at the facts and not just the optimistic outlook. Okay, let's get to the meat of this filing. A key part here is titled Regulation FD Disclosure. Regulation FD, or Fair Disclosure, is all about making sure that when a company shares important information, they do it with everyone at the same time, not just a select few. Here, InPoint has shared a letter they sent to their stockholders. This letter discusses the company's portfolio. While we don't have the letter itself directly in this filing, it is referenced as Exhibit 99.1. Think of this as a direct message from the company's management to the people who own a piece of it, giving them the latest on where their money is invested. Then they've also provided information about the status of their investment portfolio as of the 30th of September 2025. This is being posted on their website and is included as Exhibit 99.2. This is essentially a snapshot of how their real estate investments are doing right at the end of the third quarter of 2025. This is where we usually find the numbers that tell us if the company is making money or losing it in its core business. They state that this information is being furnished, which means it is not officially filed in the same way as other parts of the report, so it comes with a different level of legal responsibility for the company. While this specific filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables like a full 10Q or 10K would, the context provided by the letter and portfolio update gives us a glimpse into their operational focus. We know they have preferred stock outstanding, the 6.75% series accumulative redeemable preferred stock. This tells us they are a company that uses different types of financing, and these preferred stockholders have specific rights and get a fixed dividend payment. Now, let's think about what this means. A current report focused on portfolio updates and a stockholder letter suggests that management wants to get timely information out to their investors. Particularly commercial real estate, the portfolio's performance is everything. It is about the quality of the properties, the rents they are bringing in, occupancy rates, and how the market is treating different types of commercial real estate. Are they acquiring new properties? Are they selling off underperforming assets? Are interest rates affecting their ability to finance new deals or putting pressure on their existing loans? These are the kinds of questions that a portfolio update aims to answer. The mention of a blind pool offering and best efforts offerings in the forward. Looking statements also suggest they might be raising capital for new investments without having specific properties in mind yet, or perhaps they are selling securities in a way that doesn't guarantee they will sell all they offer. This can be a more speculative approach. The fact that they are giving an update on the 30th of September 2025 means they are being proactive. In the real estate sector, knowing how your properties, your assets are performing is crucial. It impacts everything from cash flow to property valuation. If occupancy rates are high and rents are stable or increasing, that is a good sign for their income generation. On the other hand, if there are vacancies or declining rents, that could mean trouble down the line, especially if they have significant debt obligations that need to be paid from that rental income. What else can we infer? The mention of borrower defaults in the forward-looking statements is a red flag. It means that the people or companies who borrowed money from InPoint might be having trouble paying it back. This can directly impact InPoint's income and potentially its ability to pay its own bills or dividends. In commercial real estate, this is a significant risk as loans are often tied to the performance of the underlying property, looking beyond the numbers. The timing of this report in late October suggests they are providing a mid-fall update. This might be to prepare investors for year-end results or to address any significant portfolio shifts that occurred during the summer and early fall. In the real estate world, market conditions can shift quickly, so timely updates are valuable. So, my read on this is that InPoint Commercial Real Estate Income Incorporated is in a phase where they are actively managing and possibly reshaping their real estate portfolio. The focus on stockholder communication indicates a desire to keep investors informed, which is good. However, the inherent risks in commercial real estate, such as borrower defaults and interest rate sensitivity, are always present. This filing, while not a deep financial dive, serves as a signal that investors should pay close attention to the company's portfolio performance and its management strategy for navigating the current economic landscape. Alright, that is our quick decode of InPoint Commercial Real Estate Income Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on these early portfolio updates and what they might mean for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more in-depth corporate analyses. And don't forget to join the conversation on our Discord server. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.